My name is Bill Dennison, and I'm with the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Science. This year, the Chesapeake Bay report card was an overall D+, or the second lowest score that we've recorded since we started calculating the scores back since 1986. 2003, another year of extremely high flows, was the only report card score that was worse. And this is obviously not good news for Chesapeake Bay. And it comes in spite of some very positive efforts in terms of restoration that Nick is going to address.
The Bay received a D+ in 2011, which is lower than last year's grade. The nutrients and sediments flowing into the Bay affected health in the following ways. First, water quality got worse. Low dissolved oxygen conditions were expected during the summertime because of the high spring flow that we saw. And you can see over in the conceptual diagram, you have high nutrients and sediments coming in the springtime, and it creates low dissolved oxygen conditions. And then this continued through the hot, dry summer. And then in August, with Hurricane Irene, the winds from Hurricane Irene actually mixed the bay up and improved dissolved oxygen conditions. So it wasn't as bad as it could have been.
64,000 square miles, 17 million people. It's a very large, very complex, and very dynamic ecosystem. And it's huge. And things that happen in that watershed are going to have an impact on the bay and other water bodies. I think the annual report card gives us a glimpse at what's happening in the bay and keeps us on our toes in terms of the impacts that weather-related events or other types of human events can have on the bay ecosystem.
Very cautiously optimistic about this summer, and so we're really hopeful that we're going to end up with a better report card when we come back in a year. So thanks very much.